Hashbrown, what's the hay for?
Este césped no es para los renos.
Hashbrown, is that Spanish?
Did I just say that in Spanish? Oh boy, this time of year sure brings it out of me. It means the hay is not for the reindeer. I brought this out for the wise man's camel to celebrate El Dia de Reyes.
Hashbrown, I didn't know you were Hispanic.
Yep, me papa is. Every year after Christmas, we'd celebrate El Dia de Reyes, the
Day of Kings. Ha! I can speak Spanish too, you know, so I'm also interesting.
Después de los regalos, nuestra comunidad.
English, por favor, for the gringos.
We also eat Rosca de Reyes, which is a delicious sweet cake made with dried fruits in the shape of a crown.
Yeah, and inside the cake, there's a baby king. And if you find it, you're king for the day.
Correcto, señorita. Vamos a comer.
Ah! Ooh, I got the king! Hooray! I'm awesome!
Congratulations, Sausage. As this year's king, you're now responsible for planning next year's party, cooking next year's cake, and paying for this year's party.
Wait, I won! I have to what? Remember, get the latest episodes, subscribe below.